And you go too.
All right, I'm ready.
Cheese!
Okay, you gonna ride your bike?
Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye. Have a good time on your adventure. Try to come home for supper. Good girl. Keep pushing. You almost did it. Okay, push with the other foot. There you go. There.
The other foot.
Yep. Then trade feet. Whoa, you went backwards. Push down. Push forward and down. Forward, down, forward, down. There.
Okay, try again.
Yeah. Keep going. Forward, down, forward, down. There, crash. Then you gotta steer. You gotta steer too. You want me to back you up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Back me up. Back me up.
Okay, here we go. Oh, you did it yourself. You crashed again. Okay, gotta watch where you're going. Here we go. Forward, down. Yeah, we gotta get you a helmet so you're street ready.
Yeah, I want a helmet.
Yeah, but we don't have one yet. We have to go to the store and get you one. Yeah. Are you wearing your backpack? You really are an explorer.
Hi, Abby.
Oh.
Goodbye, Abby.
I'm gonna get out of the way before you run over. Mommy, I kind of want to have my toes.
I'm gonna go over here.
Okay,
Now go over there.
well, have a good adventure. You gonna be home by supper?
I'm gonna be home over here.
Okay. Have fun. See you later. Bye.